Hey beauties! So it's very early in the morning, so I'm not gonna be speaking that loud. But anyway, I've been working on my makeup all night. As you all know, I haven't really been big on eyeshadows and elaborate looks and fancy looks. So I thought, let me just practice a little bit because I wanted to come on here and just do some really fun eyeshadow looks. As I was growing up, I just worked on skincare and I wanted to be a supermodel to find out that supermodels are 5'7" and up. But everyone said to me, put on some heels, girl, you'll be fine. But anyways, yeah, and I wanted to, now that I think about it, I wanted to do something for petite models as I was growing up. But anyways, I worked on my makeup all night so that I can like have a look for New Year's Eve and see if I can mimic my favorite filter. Sometimes I'll come on here and I'll say, well, I'm wearing filters today because I didn't feel like wearing makeup and I didn't feel like going without makeup. So today I am not wearing any filters, but I just thought I would spend extra time on my makeup to look like my favorite filter. As you all have noticed, she does have pouty lips and elaborate eyeshadow going on. So yeah, so I wanted to make my eyes pop. So I saw this concealer at Walmart. It's a white concealer. And I thought, white concealer? What's that all about? So I thought, let me give it a try. So I tried it and it brightens the under eye a little bit. I'm really self-conscious as I'm getting older. I'm 61 years old. So I'm a little self-conscious of what it looks like underneath my eyes. So, but this, I think I like this. I mixed it with the banana. As you all know, I love my banana concealer along with the baking banana powder. And I use that for concealer. And it works so well with covering under eye lines and dark shadows. So yeah, so I like this white concealer. It's by LA Colors. Yeah, that's who's it by. Yeah, and so yeah, so that's how I was able to manage this look to look like my favorite filter. What do you all think? Do you think I did a good job? You know what? If you go in some of my feeds, you'll see what she looks like. As a matter of fact, she's talking. She's not an avatar. She's not an AI. She's just a filter that I use. You'll see it on things that you might have not heard about the birth of Christ, something along those lines. That's the title. But yeah, so I think it came out pretty good. What do you all think? You can go when you get a moment, peek at her and then come back. But I probably would do this video again. I just get so excited sometimes and I just come on and do videos without all the editing. Sometimes it can be so exasperating. But yeah, so I'm gonna do a picture in a picture next time I come on so that you can see a comparison between me and her. So yeah, so the plump look was able to be achieved with this lip gloss that my sister gave me as a Christmas gift. I don't even think she know that she gave this gift to me. Well, I don't think she knows the dynamic of the gift, because what it does, it plumps your lips a little bit. And I put it on. It was so funny. I put it on because I don't have that many lip colors, and she did grace me with an amazing lip color. I'm gonna come back and do a Christmas gift haul so that you all can see what I got for birthday and Christmas. My birthday is December 2nd and Christmas, you know, is December 25th. So it's pretty close together. But anyways, yeah, so my sister got me this amazing lip color, which is so cool. I'm gonna put it on later on. But my filter doesn't wear this color. She wears like this burgundy look, right? So I didn't have a burgundy lipstick, right? So what I did was I used some eyeshadow. I used a burgundy eyeshadow palette, and I put it on my lips, and then I followed up with this lip gloss. I thought, oh, my sister gave me some lip gloss in the bag. You know, she threw it in as an extra. She said, here, have this too. And she threw it in, and I'm thinking, oh, that's cool. I have a lip gloss, you know. And so I put it on, and I'm like, oh, snap. The eyeshadow is not meant for my lips. It's meant for my eyes, and it's burning my lips. Oh my God. Let me go rinse my lips off. And I'm going to rinse my lip off, and I'm like, oh my God, what did I do? So I thought, well, you know, maybe it was the lip gloss. Maybe, you know, it did say Plumping Pout, right? It's by Ulta, and it did say Plumping Pout. So I'm thinking, well, maybe it has like peppermint in it or some kind of ingredient in it to make it plump. So I said, oh my God, what did I do? And so let me double check this, I'm thinking, you know, because I'm thinking that it's the eyeshadow pigmentation that might have done something to irritate my lips. I'm like, oh my God, that's the last thing I need right now. I'm supposed to be working on content coming into the new year, and makeup looks and eyeshadow looks that I promised the audience. And that's the last thing I need right now. So I thought, you know what? Let me ask ChatGPT, you know. Let me ask ChatGPT if Ulta Beauty has a lip color. And I went to look at the lip color, rather the lip gloss, and it's Ulta Beauty. It is Plumping Pout, right? So it does have something in it that makes your lip tingle. I thought it was peppermint, but it's not peppermint. It's chili pepper. So it has a hint of chili pepper in it to like make your lips tingle a little bit. So I was so relieved because I thought, oh my God, what did I do? I went ahead and put this eyeshadow pigmentation on my lips, and now my lips are gonna be all ruined. I just got off of getting moon face from the prednisone. As you all know, I had gotten a really bad reaction to the steroid prednisone that the doctor put me on, and I had moon face and elephant feet. If you all see some of the footage where I'm at my sister's house for the Christmas party, and there's a collage I put together, a video collage, where I'm opening up my gift, you'll see my legs look really fat. I was like having to hold the camera up like this at her house. I was so self-conscious. I didn't want to look fat. It's amazing, right? It's amazing how you can tilt the camera at an angle and it'll make you look so skinny. That is so cool. But anyways, I just want to come on here and share that story with the peppermint, with the chili pepper lip gloss. And I'm not going to do any editing. This is just, let me get on here. I've been working on my makeup all night. I have some video footage I'm going to work on right after this. And I'm going to display it a little later. And so, yeah, I wanted to talk about this concealer that I came across. And I like it. Do you all like it looking a little lighter under your eye? Like, do you like your concealer looking a little lighter? Or do you like it to blend in with your foundation? Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious. So, like I said, I went ahead and refurbished, if I may say, my wig. What do you all think? I put a little gel and I curled it a little bit. You know what? I'm going to go back and just do it again. So, yeah, I'm so excited for the new year. What are you all's New Year's resolution? Are you excited for the new year? Are you looking forward to it? I'm so excited because I'm such a techie girl. I love techie stuff. And so I'm always on the edge of my seat, like what's gonna be next in AI? I love AI. I love technology. So I'm always on the edge of my seat wondering what's new, what's gonna be new this year. Yeah, so let me know. Like this is not a scripted video. I just thought I'd come on here. I'm talking a little low, so I'm hoping that you all can hear me. As you can see by the numbers, I'm a new YouTuber. Well, not that new. I started about 4 years ago, but then life got in the way, and I just put it on a shelf, and so I picked it back up December 1st because I wanted to do Vlogmas. Actually, I picked it back up last year, December 1st, because I was doing Vlogmas last year, December 1st. And so it went so well, I thought I'll do it again this December, and it has been great. My numbers has increased. I am now at 527 subscribers now. I'm so excited. I'm so looking forward to meeting monetization. I am so looking forward to it. So I am gonna upload this video. You all let me know in the comments below what you think about the eye makeup. Do you think I mimicked my favorite filter correctly? I'll come back and I'll do like a comparison. That's what I should have done, but I just got so excited that I think I mimicked her pretty good. You know what? I think I'm just gonna go to sleep like this. I think I'm just gonna go to sleep and not wash my face. Oh my God. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think about the concealer? Would you try the white concealer? Do you like your under eye concealer looking a little lighter than your foundation, or do you want everything to look pretty much evened out? Let me know. Inquiring minds want to know. I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.